So first we will learn what is adjective. Okay. So adjective is the word that describes a noun or the pronoun. We all know what is noun. Noun means what? Noun means,
A place, thing, animal, place.
yes, noun means any naming words. And what is pronoun?
Ma'am,
Anybody?
pronoun like she, his, she, her, it.
Yes, what we use instead of noun is pronoun. Now the adjectives are found after verb or before the noun, it modifies. Okay. So if I say the sunflower is yellow in color, which one is the adjective here? Anybody?
Yellow.
Very good. The yellow is the adjective word. So every time we will ask the question. Okay. Now you can see the three pictures in the slides. Can you see
Yes, ma'am.
pictures in the
Yes,
slide?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you please read the first sentence for me?
Cheetah is the fastest animal. Cheetah is the fastest animal.
Okay. So which one is the adjective here?
Fastest.
Very good. Very
Fastest.
good. Now, Shreyansh, can you please read the next sentence for me?
This woman is ugly.
Ugly. So which one is the adjective here?
Ugly.
Very good. So we will ask the question, how is the woman? The woman is ugly. So ugly is the adjective here. Okay. Anaisha, can you read the next one for me?
The boy is fat.
So which one is the adjective here?
Fat.
The boy is fat. So the fat here is the adjective. Okay. Now can you see a mosquito? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have so many adjectives to describe a mosquito. Okay. Now you will select. Okay. Now first one is heavy. Is it heavy?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not heavy.
Ma'am,
Is
but annoying and buzzy.
okay. It is annoying. It is very annoying. Very good. And it is buzzy.
Buzzy.
Is it giant?
Ma'am, but small.
No.
Small.
Okay, it's small. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
it is small. Okay. Now the next is it pink in color?
No. No, ma'am.
No. Is it made of wood? Is it wooden?
No.
No. Is it pesky?
Ma'am, what is pesky?
Pesky means when the mosquito bites, it just cause you itching. Is it
Yes.
pesky? Yes, it is
It's
pesky.
pesky.
Now, is the mosquito is the electric one?
No.
No.
The electric one. Is the mosquito is a wet insect?
No.
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 Yes, annoying, buzzy, small, and pesky. So these are all adjectives to describe this mosquito, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have few sentences. It is a pretty flower. Now I will ask the question, how is the flower?
Pretty. Pretty.
Pretty. So the adjective here is pretty. The next one is, I have a green apple.
Green.
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 जो कलर है वही बता रहे हैं ना.
Green is the adjective here. My little dog likes to play.
Light.
Little.
Little is here the answer. The fourth one, Dad gave me a yummy cake.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Now the question is, how was the cake? The cake was yummy.
Yummy.
Yes. So the adjective is yummy. It was a hot day. It was a hot day.
Hot.
How was the day? It was
Hot.
hot. Very good. Very good, students. Next one. Carla's dress is purple.
Purple.
Purple is the adjective here. Next one.
Ma'am, the next one should have two adjectives, na long and green.
Yes?
The seventh one should have two adjectives, na long and green.
Very good. The long and green. There are two adjectives here. Okay? So, till now, everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Move to the next one. So, yeah, you can see the three pictures. Okay? We have to write down the adjectives here. The first one, what you can see? What you can see? It's a dog. How is
Cute
a dog?
dog.
It's
A cute dog.
Dog.
dog. And the dog is
Cute.
cute. And look carefully, the dog is little fat, isn't it?
It is.
Dog.
Cute dog is also correct. If you write it's fat dog, it is also correct. The next one is a picture of a frog. Have you seen a frog?
Yes.
Yes.
The frog is green.
The green frog.
One
Okay.
small.
The small one is also correct. Okay. The next one is hard dash dash here. How is a here?
Her hair is long.
Hard.
Her very long hair.
Hard. Very long here. So the adjective very long. How is it here? It's very long here. Okay. Now we have learned what is adjective. Now we will learn the types of adjective. There are 6 types of adjective, you know. The first one is adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. Third one is possessive adjective. Fourth one interrogative adjective. Fifth one demonstrative one. And sixth one is the proper adjective. Okay. So we will learn one by one. Okay. First we will learn the adjective of quality. When the adjective describes the quality of a noun. What it describes? The quality of a noun. Yes, it is the adjective of quality. Okay, it's called adjective of quality. What kind of noun it is? Okay, you have to ask the question. Okay, what kind of flower it is? It's a red flower. So if I ask the question, what kind of flower it is? It's a red flower. So here, the red is the adjective of quality. Okay, red is the adjective of quality. Now, Purvi, can you give me an example of adjective of quality? Purvi, are you there?
This is a pink dress.
Yes.
This flower is blue.
This is a pink dress. So, which one is adjective here? Adjective of quality?
Yes, the answer is pink.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, Shreyans, can you give me examples of adjective of quality? Shreyans,
Yes, ma'am.
can you give me an example of adjective of quality?
It is long pencil.
It is a long pencil. So, the adjective of quality here is?
Long.
Long. Very okay. Now we can see the 3 pictures. Okay. The first one, a boy. The second one, a dog. And third one, a girl is singing. So, Tina, can you tell me this is a smart. Which one is the adjective of quality here? Tina, are you there?
ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಿಂದ 3 ಜನರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಹಾಳಾಗಿರೋದು.
Tina, are you there?
ನೀಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
No. Okay. Mayurakshi, are you there? Mayurakshi, are you there? No. Okay. Rashmita, are you there? Rashmita?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Can you tell me, if I say he is a smart boy, which one is the adjective of quality here?
Smart.
Very good. The next one is, this is a cute dog. Now, David Prateep, can you give me the answer? This is a cute dog. Which one is the adjective of quality here?
Cute.
Very good. Very good, David. Thank you. Okay. Now, next one is a girl who is cleaning. She is a hardworking girl. So here the adjective of quality is hardworking.
Hardworking.
Very good. So we have learned the adjective of quality. Now it's time to learn adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is show how much. Adjective of quantity is show how much. The quantity of a thing. Okay, how much the quantity of a thing we are talking about. Little, full, enough, a lot are the example of adjective of quantity. Okay. Now you can see two jugs here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Sarvesh, can you read the sentence written here? This one.
How much water is there in the jug?
Yes. And this glass is there is much water in the jug. Okay, so here much is, we are talking about the quantity of the adjective. Much water. So much here is the adjective of quantity. And in this jug, we have little water. See, we have little water in the jug. So here, little is the adjective of quantity. Okay. Now some adjective answered the question how much. She ate little rice. So how much rice she ate? Little is the adjective of quantity here. Okay. Sharvish, can you please give me an example of adjective of quantity?
Little water.
Little water. Okay. Can you give me a full sentence?
There are little water in the jug.
Okay, very good. Here, the adjective of quantity is little, right? Okay, so we have learned the adjective of quality, we have learned the adjective of quantity. Now it's time to learn adjective of possessiveness. What is possessiveness? The possessive adjective shows who owns or experiences something, like his, her, my are the possessive adjectives. Okay. So it is his bag. So the possessive adjective is his. It is my pencil. So the possessive adjective is
My.
okay. Aradhya, can you give me one example of possessive adjective? Aradhya, yes. Can you tell me one example of possessive adjective?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please tell me.
Her pencil is long.
Her pencil is long. So which one is a possessive adjective here?
Her.
Her. Pencil belongs to whom? Pencil belongs to her. So her is the possessive adjective here. Okay. Now Ashmi, can you give me one more example of possessive adjective? Ashmi? Ashmi, are you there? No, Ashmi is not there. Ekangshi? Ekangshi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please tell me one example of possessive adjective?
Excuse me, ma'am. I am late in the class.
One example of possessive adjective? Try. If I say, this is my book. This is my book. So which one is a possessive adjective here? Who can tell me? Quickly tell me. This is my book. Which one is a possessive adjective here?
My. माई पे बोलना सेंटेंस बनाओ
This is my book. Quickly give me the answer.
My name is Sean.
My is the possessive adjective here. Okay. Then, yes. Next, we will learn demonstrative adjectives. So, demonstrative adjective is what? That describe exactly which things are talked about. Like these, that, these, those. Now, this, if I'm talking about this pen, this is a single pen, one pen, and this pen is near to me. In that case, we will use this. Here we will use this. Okay. Okay, everybody, if we are talking about a single thing and the thing is very near to us, we will use this. And if we are talking about a single
Okay,
thing,
ma'am.
but the thing is very far from us, then we will say that. That is my pen. That is an apple. And if you are talking about many, like I have many pens, and the pens are near to me, then we will use these. Okay, these are apples, these are my pens. And when these pens are far from me, we will use those. Those are apples.
That is a
Could can you give me one example of demonstrative? Could we? Are you here?
Miss,
Yes.
my water bottle.
This is my water bottle. Here, this is the demonstrative adjective, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the next one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose, what. Interrogate means asking a question, right? So when we ask the question, which, whose, what are the used along with nouns to ask a question is the interrogative adjective. Like if I ask, what is your name? Which one is the interrogative adjective here?
Which?
What is your name? What is the interrogative adjective here? Okay. Rayansh, can you give me one example of interrogative adjective? Rayansh?
What or who's
Yes.
Yes. What is
Yes.
this?
Can you give me one example of interrogative adjectives here?
Ma'am, what is this?
What is this? Okay. Which one is the interrogative adjective here?
What?
What? Very good. Okay. Now we have some examples. Dash is the time. What would be the answer?
What
Very,
is the time?
very good. Very good. Next one. Dash shoes are they? What would be the answer?
Whose are they?
Whose?
What would be the answer?
Whose?
The next one is the third one. Dash of these bag is yours.
Which?
Answer.
Which?
Which of these bags is yours? The next one, fourth one. Dash
Who?
is this?
Whose photo is this? Whose photo?
Whose photo is this?
What is this?
Now we will do the last one, the fifth one. Okay. Dash book are you reading?
Which book are
Which. So what, whose, which are the example of interrogative adjective. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's time to practice. So I have 5 sentences for you and you have to tell me the adjectives. Okay, I will call out your names and you will give me the answer. Okay, one by one. Okay. Sharvish, can you read the first one for me?
Shirt.
Sharvish, can you read the first one for me?
He was wearing a green shirt.
Okay, which one is the adjective here?
Wearing.
Which one is adjective here? Try again.
Wearing.
No. The adjective here is green. The adjective here is green. He was wearing a green shirt. The adjective here is green. Okay. Next one. Who wants to try? Tina, you want to try?
Ma'am, I want to tell. Ma'am.
Who wants to try?
Ma'am, I.
Okay. Tell me the next one. Number 2.
क्या बोल रही है मैम?
Number 2. Can you read the number 2 for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One by one. Read. There are 6 rooms in the house. There are 6 rooms in the house. Okay. Shranj, can you give me the adjective here? Which one is the adjective here?
This is second one. Ma'am, 6.
6. Very good. Now, Mohit. Mohit, are you there? No. Megakshi, are you there? Megakshi, are you there? No. Aradhya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read the third one for me?
Yes, ma'am. New Delhi is a large city with many historical
Monuments. Okay. So, can you please tell me which one is the adjective here? Can you tell me the adjective? Yeah, the adjective is large. How is the city? It's a large city. So the adjective here is large. Okay? Yes.
Many people came to
Now, Rashmita, are you there? Okay. Can you tell me the fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First you read the sentence, then you tell me the adjectives. Okay?
Many people came to visit the fair.
Okay. Which one is the adjective here?
Many.
Many. Very good. Now who will do the last one? Elaine, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was been told.
You also?
Flowers.
Ma'am, I also been told.
You also want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do the last one for me.
These flowers are lovely. Lovely is the adjective.
Adjective, yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now we have to underline the adjectives in the given sentence and also name the type of adjectives. Like we have learned the quality of quality, adjective of quantity, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective. We have learned so far. So we have underlined the first. We will underline the adjectives. Then we will name the type of adjectives. Okay. Okay. Aradhya, are you there? Aradha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please read the first one for me?
Yes, ma'am. The tall girl is my classmate.
Okay. Which one is the adjective here?
Tall.
Tall. What kind of adjective is this? What kind of adjective is this? It's talking about
Quantity.
quality. It's talking about quality. Yes. So it is the adjective of quality. Tall is the adjective here and tall is the adjective of quality here. Right? Okay.
The next one.
Yes. Please try. Try the next one.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, try. The number 2.
Ma'am, which is your favorite
Author.
author?
Which is your favorite author? So which one is the adjective here?
Which? Ma'am, ma'am, which?
Okay.
Which?
Okay. What type of adjective it is?
Ma'am, interrogative.
Okay. Mama is helping. Okay. No, she will learn slowly. Okay, now who wants to try the next one?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, try the next one.
She found many pens under the table.
No, the third one. Where did he say he is going? This one, the third one.
Where?
Where?
लगेगा वो इंटरोगेटिव है.
What type of adjective it is?
Interrogative.
Very good. Now who wants to try the next one, the fourth one? Who wants to try?
Ma'am, again I want to try.
Again you want to try? Okay, try.
She found many pens under the table.
Okay, which one is the adjective here?
Many.
Many. What type of adjective it is?
Quality. Quantity.
Quantity. Yes. Now the fifth one. Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. What can I say?
Okay. Fifth one, try. Try the fifth one. Who wants to try? Try.
Ma'am, those books belongs to her.
Okay. So which one is the adjective here?
Those.
Okay. What type of adjective it is? Think. What type of adjective it is? We learned that, those, these, those. In what type of adjective?
नहीं.
Demonstrative adjective, right?
Demonstrative.
Okay. So have you learned something new?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you enjoy the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.